Mukanya Chiwenga, thank you for consistently reminding the people of Zimbabwe that our liberation war was not an accident of history, but a sacrifice paid in blood. Sanapenda mashukobda panapa itogona kirina mjati achipraisa nokutenda VP Costa Nochwenga. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina unamobuda nyuko mchinzi. The Veneka must never forget that thousands of young comrades remain unburied in the bushes of Mozambique, Tanzania, and across Zimbabwe. Young women and men who gave their lives so that this nation could be free. It is therefore the height of arrogance and historical amnesia of individuals like Daniel Garwe, a man who defended the Rhodesian Ian Smith regime and fired bullets at our own war veterans, not now posture as a guardian of the nation while openly disrespecting Section 212 of the Constitution and the very veterans who liberated the country. Zimbabwe cannot be lectured about patriotism by those whose political record is rooted in defending colonial power. The benefaction must understand a simple reality. They are not Zimbabwe. They are merely a small entitled clique attempting to capture a nation that was paid for with the blood of the people. A referendum is no longer optional. It is a democratic necessity. Zimbabweans will not fold their hands while a minority seeks to mutilate the constitution and mortgage the future of the nation. The liberation struggle was never fought so that a cattle could inherit the state. Zimbabwe belongs to the people, not to political opportunists masquerading as patriots. There is no 2030. Zimbabwe, brace yourself for that reality. Toma developments are good up and when you comment section, medals of your aim out to be sponsored with it for each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.